G'day guys, Paul Belcher from Roberts Real Estate and welcome to my new listing at Hope's Cottage 2 Dennistoun Road in beautiful Bothwell. We're in close proximity of all services Bothwell has to offer and the home set on just under 2,800 square metres level access block, multiple outbuildings and the home 3-bedroom original timber floors with an extra large lounge room. Let's go in and take a look. You can see Hope Cottage has been loved and very well renovated. We've got multiple outbuildings, including a woodshed, carport, a 9x6 garage, and much more. If you've been looking for that perfect home, look no further. To book an inspection or for more information, please don't hesitate to call me. I'm available 7 days a week and I'm here to help.